The Child Development Educational Studies program here at Long Beach City College offers stackable certificates that allows you to start your career journey after just 2 courses and continue on learning on the job while also in the classroom.
I realized I wanted to go into education. I didn't really know where. And when I had my son, that kind of started my journey into child development. So I enrolled at LBCC, I took a few courses online, and I fell in love with it. When I finally started taking classes on campus, that's when it really, things really shot up when I was in the classroom with the instructors.
Child development is so much wider of a world than you may have imagined, and we're here to help you navigate as you discover who you are within the field.
Now that I knew, okay, this is what I'm passionate about, it's okay, then yeah, now what, So I was also able to get guidance from the faculty. They just gave me information about their process and their journeys. Through those conversations, I decided what master's program I wanted to go through.
Feel it on your hand?
If you're looking for a future in work with children or in the field of education, this is the department for you. Our lab schools offer you hands-on opportunities to begin your career with confidence, making sure that you're ready with the best practices modeled and practiced before you enter the field.
It really was, when they talk about a transformative education, that's really what I got here. And it really changed me. It did make me a better mom. And I think it's made me a wonderful teacher. I think I've had a really strong foundation as I began my teaching career.
The children of tomorrow deserve the best education, and so do you. Check us out on our website today at lbcc.edu.